You all know that currently there are two regimes in income tax, new regime and old regime. Under the old regime, a high rate of income tax is applicable to taxpayers, and it also gets many deductions and exemptions. In the budget of 2020, a new regime was also introduced in parallel, where the taxpayer has a lower rate of income tax applicable, but he doesn't get any exemptions or deductions. A taxpayer can pay income tax under any regime. But now in this video, I will tell you that the government in the upcoming budget of 2025 is going to give some exemptions or deductions in the new regime too. Along with that, up to what income level there will be no tax. I will also tell you that, hi everyone, I am CA Raj K Agrawal, having qualified CA, all levels with All India rank, and has mentored lakhs of students preparing for professional courses like CA, CS and CMA. The government is continuously trying to make the new income tax regime attractive for taxpayers. According to tax experts, our finance minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, on 1st February 2025, might bring some big changes in the new income tax regime.
स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन को 75,000 रुपए से बढ़ाकर 1 लाख रुपए कर सकती है.
Standard deduction from salaries limit will be increased from 75,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. Term insurance and health insurance premiums deduction will also be given. You must know that the condition of banks today is very bad. Banks do not have money because now people are starting to invest in equity and mutual funds. It is possible that there will be some deductions given on bank FDs. Under the new regime, such things are also coming to the forefront. When I heard all this in the news, I didn't feel any happiness. In fact, I started thinking, what kind of drama is going on in our country? What does the government want to do? The new income tax regime was brought in to simplify the tax so that there would be no hassle of exemptions or deductions, that the government just collect tax from us at a reduced rate. Return filing becomes quite easy, but it seems that the government always wants to complicate tax. The government is slowly making the new regime like the old regime. I am confused. Let's understand from a BJP leader itself what the government wants to do.
वो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है ही नहीं. फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री पीएमओ प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस में जो ऑफिसर्स हैं वो सब करते हैं, वो सिर्फ दस्तखत करती है.
On the one hand, the government is talking about making income up to 15 lakhs tax free. I have no hope for this at all, and I'll tell you why. Because if income up to 15 lakhs rupees is becoming tax free, so for whom are these exemptions and deductions being made by government? Does these small exemptions and deductions make any difference to those earning more than 15 lakhs? Not at all. So then these exemptions and deductions are for whom? If the government truly wants to simplify taxes, then listen to me. I say the government should create two tax rates. Create a reduced rate that applies to both salary income and investment income. And create another comparatively higher rate of tax, which is applicable to all other incomes, including business income. A salaried employee always pays more tax because all of his income is disclosed, right? The tax rate on him should be lower. And when the tax rate on salary income is lower, so what is the need for a standard deduction from salary? And as far as the matter of term insurance and health insurance is concerned, I would say the government should first remove the GST from it. GST is not being removed by the government from that. Insurance is a basic necessity. Even then, the government is charging 18% GST on it. 18% is there for luxury goods. And services, I say, forget about income tax rebates. First, remove GST. By the way, what is your opinion? Please let me know in the comment box. If you want to learn about income tax and GST in detail, so on our channel Study at Home, there is a complete playlist for this. I have put the link in the description box. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.